and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Shut it down, shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down. Shut it down, shut it down. Down, 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 down. Clown around and I shut it down. Around and I shut it down. And I shut it down, clown around and I shut it down, clown around and I shut it down, shut it down, shut it down, clown around and I shut it down, clown around and I shut it down, clown around and I shut it down, shut it down, shut it down, 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 clown around and I shut it down. Around and I shut it down. Clown around and I shut it down.
Good afternoon. Welcome. We are glad to see everybody here. Whoever is here, we're glad to have you. We're super glad. We've got a fun stream plan for today. So without further ado, let's jump on this sucker. I was added to the CoPilot trial. So let's see if we can get this chat stuff working with our CoPilot. CoPilot's enabled. We have a Go update available. Yeah, sure. Update Go. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I was actually gonna kill that because it gets in my way. And I was gonna add that. Yeah. That's what I wanted, because we've had some follows recently. We'll just keep everything running. Well, and hopefully, because I've been having the screens go over my chat, we don't want the chat to get in the way of reading the things. That's ideal. Okay, so today, we're gonna add a Discord connection and a Twitch connection. We'll probably start with the Twitch one. 'Cause why not? You just have to ask for it, Mord. It was really easy. I just got on the email list and said, hey, can I have this? And they were like, yep, you can. We like you. So they gave me CoPilot. But... oh, you're still on the wait list? I wonder what makes me more qualified than you. Then you need to... I did say I was gonna do a Twitch stream on it. So maybe you just need to do Twitch. Maybe that'll get you it faster. Doing Twitch. So I found these things I think we're going to try using this package. It seemed pretty straightforward to get the Twitch chat going. Oh, I don't use VS Code. I never said I used VS Code daily. Or did I lie? I use Vim. I never use VS Code. So, however, why ever they approved me, we don't quite know. But they did. And I have it installed. You can tell. If you have CoPilot, it'll have stops. Okay, I don't know why Nightbox doesn't like that. See, this is how you know you have CoPilot. It's more messed up that I use Vim. Oh, I have to activate it. Should I do for Go or globally? Now it's activated globally. Did you see that? We should also get Nightbot to not hate on that caps lock thing. It drives me crazy and I feel like it's offensive. I feel like hating on caps lock is more offensive. Options. Oh! You just have to have 8? I don't know. Maybe like 25. Maybe if you have 25 cap lock characters, I'll be 64. What? Are you telling me to do 60? I'll do it. I'll do 64. I'm gonna disable that. Cool. Let's go get this. I think my Go download's done. Oh. Come on, Go. Download the stupid thing. I can't do Go Get if Go's installing. Well, actually, I probably can. Oh, it's done. Okay, let's make a new library. See, this is weird. I'm using Vim. Not Vim. I'm not using Vim. I'm using VS Code. That's what's really weird. Make dir, we'll call you Twitch. Cause why not? And then we should add a .VSCode to our git ignore. Because we don't need to have all of those things in there. Oh, I don't want it in chat app front end at all. I don't want it there either. Yeah. There we go. Let's just try and connect. I'm waiting. Wait, was that? I thought. When's CoPilot gonna start making suggestions for me? I'm waiting. It says in getting started. Create a new and type the following. CoPilot will automatically suggest an implementation. Oh. Alright. I have to make a new client. On private message, client join. On connect. Add a function. Oh, I see. So we just need to make a new Twitch client. Oh, look at that. It is selecting things. It says host string. Look at that. So it is suggesting things for me. That's nice. Even though I want it to be, is that a V2 client? I want this to be a client of type v2 dot client. Yeah. Look, it suggested all that stuff. How much time will you think it'll send me? Why didn't it import that? Don't tell me my Go plugin's now broken. I probably should fix my Go plugin now. And why is it in package test? Who said that that was supposed to be the... Should we package Twitch? Do I type too fast for you or something, VSCode? No, I type too fast for CoPilot. Does CoPilot require an active internet connection to run? Because if that's the case, that's why it's being so slow, is because I'm streaming. And it should be, it returns a pointer, so I'm just going to make this a pointer. Look at that, was nice. Did you see that, Mord? Does it take a username and password?
Hi, Lulu. Bye, Lulu.
Where you going now, Jake?
Basketball.
A username and an OAuth string. I just don't quite know what the Twitch OAuth string is. Wait. I think I went too fast. With no write capabilities, we do want write capabilities. So we can just be my Twitch username, but oh, on line 431, that's where I was missing. So I have to figure out what this OAuth thing is. Cause I have a secret, and I have okay, anonymous create. No, I don't want the anonymous one. Oh, the OAuth is mine. Yeah, because I have to create that port. I think I knew that. So I think I have this open. Let me just throw this over here. Come on. Come on, you dumb web page.
Hope you're having a good day. Want to go for a walk?
I do not want to go for a walk, Google. Twitch offers an internet relay chat interface for chat functionality. Chatbot allows you to interact programmatically with Twitch chat feed using IRC standard. The bot connects to Twitch network. Yeah, I knew that. Run chatbot locally. Registration. Register your application on the Twitch developer site. Yeah, I did that. When creating this app, enter your redirect URI, which is where your users are redirected after being authorized. You can provide several URIs, for example. Okay. Okay. If you wish to use the same client for different environments, once you create a developer application, you're assigned a client ID. Some authentication flows also require a client secret, which you generate. I have both of those. Because your client secret is confidential, you cannot show it once you leave the page, so make sure to record it. I do have it recorded. Also, generating a new client secret immediately invalidates the current ones. Okay. Okay. When an ape, okay, so I need now. Getting tokens. The domain dedicated to Twitch authentication is id.twitch.tv. URLs have been updated to replace api.twitch.tv. Yeah, okay, Kraken, whatever. With API v5 is currently deprecated. So we do curl authorization bearer. No, we don't want to revoke it. We just want to get it. When API requires authentication, send access tokens as a header. But it doesn't say what. Client ID should be unique for application. Do you not reuse IDs across multiple applications? Also, applications should request the appropriate scopes for indented target APIs. Failure to adhere to these guidelines. JWT enables you to get K. Authenticate users and allow your app to make requests on their behalf. If your application uses Twitch for login or make requests, you need to generate user access tokens. Yeah, getting tokens. I want a user access token. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay, so I need to make this request. Cool. Where's VSCode? There goes my camera. It's not username. And it doesn't equal that. It equals. This isn't gonna take any. This is gonna use username. And this is gonna be OAuth token. Yeah, that. Actually, should we just do this? Oh. I wonder. If this should go here. Yeah. So we need to have a function get token. It's a good thought, but that's not actually what we want. And I think this should, yeah, the string in the air is fine. Yep, that works. And then we need to pull that request back again. We know what the request looks like, so we can make an HTTP request. I'm gonna add another one of these for the authorized URL. I'm gonna break Copilot, I think. Nope, that worked. Good job, Copilot. Okay, it didn't tab complete, but Copilot at least knew what I was trying to do. The 3 times Copilot thought what I was trying to do. So we want an HTTP dot new request. Not new file transport. Man, I'm definitely breaking this. I do not know if it's laggy, if VS Code is laggy because of Copilot, and Copilot is laggy because I'm streaming, or if it's just because it's old, like new. Like, I think VS Code is lagging because of Copilot. It's not as nice as Vim. Yeah, but who knows? HTTP dot, it was a get, right? Uh-oh. Hey, how you doing? Exhitio. What the heck? I'm not doing that. I need a get method. I need the auth URL. And I do need nil. This would be type request. Exe? So I'll call you exe or exe? Go's fine. Or X. Is that X? I'm gonna call you X. Go is fine. Copilot is making VS Code lag. And it's not Vim. The question is, does Copilot enable me to be a better developer? I haven't gotten that yet. I don't know. Maybe it's too new. Isn't this supposed to... Do I have to hover over it to see what the error is? Okay, so I do need an... Oh my... See? Look at how laggy that is. I was so far done typing, I was scratching my eye before it even got close. No. You can't return a nil when it's a string? Come on. It is driving me crazy, but I promised GitHub. Not GitHub. I didn't talk to GitHub directly, but I promised GitHub vicariously through Twitter that I would do a stream with Copilot X. And so I am. And yeah, it's really laggy, which is why I use Vim. Well, that sucks. That sounds like a horrible computer. I usually don't. And then we need an HTTP. I think we can just do the default client for now. Should we do a new? I've only ever worked at places that gave me Mac laptops as my development machine, so I guess I've been treated pretty well. Oh, look, why? Yes, that! See, every once in a while it does something where I don't have to think. Variable. Oh. Oh, but that's because that's not a... I am just defining it because it's already a thing. Okay. I shouldn't initialize... The Copilot doesn't have a problem with me doing that. So I can do whatever I want. Is Windows good for anything but C Sharp or .NET? Can you really do anything else on them? Why do I want timeouts set? That is that. Why? See? See, Mord? You assumed I wanted timeout set. No, I don't want that. I want the response. It's gonna tell me. Look at that. Oh, Windows Systems Linux server. I forgot about that. I've used that before on like a Surface. So it was a little weird. Oh, and I think I need to add the headers. It's set header, right? Header.set is the first one I want. No. Oh no. I need to update the URL first. None of those are headers, actually. Those are all. I'm just saying. Mord. Until I have a need to do timeouts, why should I define them? Sorry. Sorry, I do chew my gum very loud. Thank you for hanging out with that, though. I apologize. I should be better. It annoys me too, so that's why it's like the worst. Yeah, but it annoys me. I shouldn't be I don't want to be a hypocrite. Is it? Did you really like that, Mord? Did you like me chewing gum? 'Cause that's weird. Okay, well, I mean, I just chew really loud sometimes. I don't want to parse it. I just want... Yeah. Maybe, I think I want the path one. That one. No, I just want to... I don't... I feel like just making a string, a dumb custom formatted string would be... I did do that. Oh, they are doing that? See, but that doesn't do like the query parameters like I want though. Oh, I could... URL params. Go by example URL parsing. See, but that just like parses it. I want to go the other way around. I want to have a set of parameters and make it... Go the other way around. I think I'm thinking too hard. I am thinking too hard. Oh, I just didn't want to do I'll show you. I don't want to do a sprintf. See that? URL with params. That! You can do a query.set and that will set it. Okay, I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's what I want. Yes. See, you knew exactly. I knew there was a better way to do it. Let's see. No, I don't want that raw query. So this would actually be client ID. And if I remember right, client ID. That's what I knew there was a better way to do it, and the documents were not helping me. This would be, I haven't sourced it, but it should be os.getenv Twitch underscore ID. It's your client ID. And then from then we can add up, just like you would a header. Thank you, Mord. Why didn't that complete like I wanted it to? I guess you don't tab complete in this. I don't have this set in the environment. But like, I was just literally, can I do this? That's exactly what we want. And then it said I needed a space separated list of scopes. Did it tell me what the scopes were? Scope, list of separated scopes. Oh yeah, I have that. Scope. Scope a specific space separated list of URL scope parameter with the following user edit, user read email. Only ask for permissions you need. Analytics read, analytics get analytics, modify channel manage. Isn't there a chat one? Oh, so this is legacy. Oh wait, I think these ones are just legacy. Let's just start with chat edit, and then we can worry about the rest of that later. And then we'll go requirement. that should work. Let me see if I can source dev dot secrets. But oh. Oh, yep, I see the problem. But I don't want you to see them, so Crux op? Crux OP. Hey, how you doing? Crux OP? Crux op? Crux? Welcome, we're testing out Copilot, trying to figure out how it's working. Mord taught me how to make queries. I'm just gonna hide my screen for a minute so I can fix that problem. I just have to fix my camera. 1 second. Sorry. There we go. I just don't want you. I have secrets so you can't see them. Oh, and I should not commit the secrets as well. That would be counterproductive. Right? Be a little counterproductive if I if I committed the secrets that I'm trying to hide from everybody. Okay, that should work. That should work. We can get back to coding. Being laggy because that's what's going to happen. Okay. Should we see if we can what we get? So I'm just gonna print this because I assume every time I run it I'll get a new one, which will invalidate the old one, so nobody can spam me. No, I don't want that. My goodness. And we should definitely dot string. I don't think that's a thing. Should we? We should read it first. Defer. Yeah, no. And then we want a body equals, not that. It will equal an IOUtil dot read all. Yeah. And then, yeah. I don't know why sometimes it like does the autocomplete and sometimes it doesn't. I think it's getting a little bit confused between the Go autocomplete and the autopilot autocomplete body, and I think there's an error there. Oh, there is no Go def here because this is not Vim. It does return an error. Hey, gassy dogs, how you doing? Oh my gosh, they just ripped one. They ripped a big one. No, I don't want to save that. So has anybody else used Copilot, and is it this laggy for them? Just save. S isn't the command for save, right's the command for save. So let's do this. We will say OAuth. OAuth token error equals get token. If error does not equal nil. Ah! My goodness! Turn error. Cool, so now we can go to our... that won't work. Oh, I miss Vim already. I miss Vim. Yeah, why use VS Code? Vim is better. So let's just do this. Actually, you know what we should do? We shouldn't even do that. Let's just not save this. Don't save. Let's make a new main here that we can just test with temporarily. How come my camera's died twice? It's only supposed to die once every... Oh, it has been an hour. I thought it'd only been 30 minutes. Oh man, time flies when you're using AI. We'll just make a main.go here. See, that should fill in a package main. Did I change something in how my VSCode Go plugin worked? And this should be set up. And we'll have IRC, comma, error equals setup, dot equals setup. And then we'll just print them. Because why not? That didn't save. I've been coding for an hour and 16 minutes. Says VS Code. So now I should be able to go build twitch.main.go, twitch/main.go, and that should build undefined setup. Is that not what we called it? We called it, yeah, we did. We called it set. Oh, but it should be twitch.setup, right? Twitch.setup. And did that work? Come on, import something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why is the Go import not working? Why are my extensions so bad? Why didn't that try and import anything? Yeah, I want to go to the settings because apparently it's being done. Install dependencies when building. Yeah. Even though the -i has, if true, then -i. Nah, I thought the -i was deprecated. Now we're using Golang CI lint on save, yes. Playground error, log sync error level, go test m, that's fine. Test on save, sure, whatever. I don't have any tests running. Go path, yeah. Auto update, yeah, sure. Yeah. Trace the communication between. I don't know, I don't think so. Use code snippets on func suggestion without typing. Complete functions with their parameter signatures. Yeah, you can do that. Add vet items, vet packages, vet. Yeah, we'll just do the package. Go please. Forget the go please. Why is it imports working? Is there not an import thing? Go item, go coverage, go cover. Enable code lens. Format flags, format tool. It should be go imports. Yeah, that one. Not that hard. It's not that hard, I promise. This one has a main and it doesn't have any issues. It's saying there's a package conflict. Look. That's fine. We'll call you main for a minute. Lag, 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 lag. Lag, lag. Lag, lag. Just so laggy. Why didn't that save? Oh, because it took 12 years to run the Go formatter, that's why. Oh, I don't want to see the I want to see the terminal. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me what all my problems are! Oh my gosh. I do not think my productivity has been increased because it's laggy. It is 100% a laggy mess. Should we, see, it says it's... It shouldn't. Right? Because they're both main. They're in the same thing. Hey, but I should be able to... Let's just do that. Instead of calling setup, right? Now that they're... I don't have to do that. Oh. I can just call get token. I didn't... Oh! Okay, has it caught up yet? Catch up! Okay. This is so Python-y. Yeah, that's all I want. I just want this function to run. Can I do this? Will this run? Well, can I do go run on Go Playground? No. Go add imports? No. Go add tags to struct field? No. Go generate unit tests? No. Go show all commands? No. JSON to go? No. I don't need to do any of that stuff. It's just... Twitch made undefined get token. Well then, what the F am I even having a second? Okay. We're deleting this. I've smartened up. Delete. I don't need a main.go. Yes. Oh. It was laggy again. Right, now, just like any intelligent person, look at that. If we're in a package main, we can have a function main. Now look at that. This stuff right here, it pulled right. Did you see? That was pretty smart, Autopilot. Autopilot, do you also listen to me like Siri does? Because if you do, then I will say that was pretty smart. Oh, there's no error here? Well, that's good to know. Okay, let's try, instead of doing go run main, we'll do go run connection.go. Like an intelligent human being. IRC client listen undefined. It has no method listen. But that was a build fail. So I hadn't run it. So it doesn't mean anything. If I was a smart human. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh, just connect. Let's just do connect. It had a panic there. Available data, but like parse message. Let's just, yeah. Let's see what happens. We don't need to implement everything before it runs. That's because it didn't save. Oh my gosh. I don't use VS Code because Vim is this is too laggy. CoPilot, you need to optimize yourself to run without an internet connection. Wasn't it supposed to print out a whole ton of stuff? Oh my gosh. It takes 12 years just to run the Go formatter. Why didn't that print any of my stuff? Obviously it didn't get a body or it would have printed one, right? Let's do this. Yeah, that. Yeah. Where did that go? Yeah. Yeah. Run it. I need to see. Okay, we are not. It should be URL.raw string, I think. I thought it did. Well, then I want to see the whole thing, because it's... Yeah, I need to see the whole thing. I want to see the whole thing. I don't want to just... Obviously, that's not what I want. I already printed that. If it was what I wanted, I wouldn't be asking for it again, silly. I feel like Cancel, close, content links, form, get body, major, minor, remote, request URI, URL. Yes, it is URL dot raw query. That's what I want. Because that should have the parameters in it. I want to see those dumb... See, that didn't print anything. See? This isn't doing anything. Oh, I have to set it? I have to do it. Okay. I have to do this. GoDef didn't do anything. Because this doesn't actually return anything. Oh, I see. But if I did this, right? So this will take what I say, so right? So this would be authorize, start the query, client ID equals, we'll just, yeah. SS and redirect URI equals URI and response type equals, we'll just go ahead and keep with code and we can, it can be just like a replace, and scope equals tests. No, I want you. Where's my... There we go. Come on, quit lagging. So now it's replacing the ones I already have. Before it didn't do anything because I didn't have any. What? This should all be set. I don't think it should be raw query either. Come on. Yeah. Come on. If that's not gonna work, then we'll just do it the other way. I keep trying to press I. Auth URL plus what does my boss have to say to me? There we go. So it shouldn't be that. Plus, no, I want this. Yeah. Client ID plus os.getinv Twitch was it all capital? Twitch client ID. was I'll just hard code the rest of these. For now, local host code and scope was equal to chat write chat edit. Was it chat edit? Add query parameter authentication chat edit. And then instead of auth URL here, come on, laggy. Come on, laggy. You're really making this not fun for the rest of us. Is that 2 hours? Oh, that's an hour and a half. Get invis lowercase e. Oh my gosh. I'm not even a fast typer. I'm a slow typer. I'm not fast at anything. Okay, that still should have... Why was that? Why do I still not get anything? Is the main not... Yeah, it's printing the errors. So I should be getting something, right? My goodness. This is lagging so bad. This is like some horrible lagging. Yeah, we can. Authorized client, redirect URL. Equals localhost. Yeah, right. Cool. The response, we get nothing. Response is just plain empty. So let's kill our client then, and we'll make a new one. Is there a new client? No. What do we want to add? Oh, we'll just do this. And then I can add whatever I want to add after the fact. That should work. So we want to add HTTP client dot timeout 10 times time dot 808 no times time we use times time dot second not well, I will say that Copilot is better than autocomplete. I'm completely zoning out right now. I'm not staring at anything. Was that bad? How bad was it? Oh, I'm not handling the error. Did you see that? Nobody's handling an error. That's what linters are supposed to check, but I guess it's laggy because of linters too. You step away for 10 minutes and yeah, I forget to check an error. It's exactly what happens. Wait, there's still no error? Then why is it not giving me nothing? That's because your set didn't work. The set, like, literally exploded. Didn't change anything. This at least shows up when I print it. I couldn't print it. And if I can't print it, how do I know it works? I can't trust you. I have to see it. I'll replace it. I'll put it back. I'll put it back after I have the connection actually working. 'Cause right now, I don't think it's actually working. See, it still didn't... Oh, well, I guess it doesn't help that this is a print. They should print. I'm still confused why I don't get any responses after line... Why don't I get any prints after line 41? We should at least be getting a status code. Right? Should we just do an HTTP GET instead of trying to find a fancy client? This is too laggy. Mord, you should be glad you don't have CoPilot because this is too laggy. Too laggy. I don't even know what it's doing. Ah! Okay, there we go. Bad request. See, that 400 is the most helpful thing I've seen all day. That probably is gonna say it can't pass that. Oh, Mord. Thank you for your assistance. I have the playground pulled up. Oh, you have to do a query dot encode. I see. I see. So we were almost there. Is it done? Did it write yet? My goodness. This is the laggiest thing I've ever seen. Just go. I pressed enter. Yeah. Oh, you have to do set on the value. See, that makes a lot more sense. Don't you think the compiler would have caught that, though? Oh my gosh. The answer is no. The compiler doesn't catch 90% of the stuff I want it to. See, now that looks promising. Maybe I was just trying too hard. But it should have worked with the other one. I don't know why it didn't work with the client. I mean, I guess I don't need a client if I don't need to make more than one request. Ooh, what is this? No, I don't know why you're even open. Oh, rainbow parenthesis. Oh, there it goes. Missing response type. You know what? It says response type equals code. Oh, I didn't spell response right. That's probably Mord's fault because he left. Missing client ID. Still missing the client ID. Oh, that's because that's not, it's supposed to have an underscore right here. It says it's still missing the client ID. Oh, it's just called Twitch ID, guys, not Twitch client ID. Now that's a thing. Well, that's cool. I guess you can say that worked, right? Okay, I'm going to try this now. If I could get it to quit lagging on me. I'm gonna try it with my client again. I think the Vim bindings died. Can you hear that? Can you hear my clacking? Nothing's happening. So we just reset VS Code, right? Come on, VS Code. This is why I don't use VS Code. I have no faith in it. It just always breaks for me. Like, honestly. And this song is a you. I'm not switching to Golang. First of all, does Golang have Copilot? Second of all I'm doing is convincing myself more and more that Vim's where it's at. Because that's honestly the best. Vim's the best. Oh, activating extensions. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's 3:30 p.m. Let's go grab a glass of water. And why don't you go wash your hands?
Oh my gosh. Oh, you have to update all the stupid things. Go! Oh, well, at least the Vim bindings are working again. Oh my gosh! I'm not touching it and it's moving! No, I didn't want that! Ah! I don't know what's going on. So that's why you didn't get on the CoPilot preview, Mord. Because you like Golang. And that's not worth anybody's time. I'm not getting it. Nope, Vim's better. Gotta do Vim. Vim for life. No, that still doesn't work. Why would I want to do Vim emulation when I could just do Vim? I like my plugins that I have for Vim too. Like, and how would your editor not take up more memory than this already does? Like, the reason that this is lagging so much is because of the memory it's hogging. So I think you've just convinced me even less. Oh, I'm having feedback issues? Streamlabs saying that I'm buffering? Yeah, it's dropping frames. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing Vim. Okay, yeah. We're gonna kill that. You see, it just keeps going up when I'm pressing the down one. Don't need you. See, but have you, even if you've used it with every repo opened at the same time, have you used it while trying to stream 60 megabytes per second? Because that's the true test case. Test case is data over the internet. While doing video compression and running all of these pull downs and chat bots and whatever, man, streaming takes a lot of your memory. Both mental memory and computer memory. Does it say what that expected payload's supposed to look like? Okay, ready? If your user authorizes your application, the user is redirected to your redirect URI with an authorization code. What? So they're saying I need to just have it open? Oh, 'cause that is the response. Right? Let's change you back to localhost then. Okay, let's change our path to localhost. I'm at 32 gigabytes of RAM. What do you think I'm doing? I'm not doing this on my work computer. I need like... I do not have memory issues in Vim. Yeah, I don't think you can get 64. Actually, you can on a MacBook Pro, but why would I? The truth is, Mord, I think our conference should invest in some really nice PCs with good memory for streaming that we can use to orchestrate our two tracks and stream them live onto the Hopin network. And you know, if one of those things happens to just magically end up at my house and the other one happens to magically end up at your house after, oh well. Yeah. who's going to come up with the money for that 64 gigabytes? Because it's definitely not coming from my subscribers. 3 subscribers is not going to pay for that. Yes, conference sponsors, yes. But they only want to give us books. They don't want to give us money. I thought Google was waiting for us to do something, right? Google should give us our money, right? So this stuff that it prints out is supposed to be the redirect. I've never done a redirect in Go. We have people who want to sponsor us, just not with money. They'd rather sponsor us with books and rooms and, does emotional support count? So if you guys out there want to sponsor the Go West conference, just shoot us an email. And we'd be happy to have you sponsor us so we can get a high quality streaming computer. And, you know, put on a high quality conference with our amazing speakers. What are you doing, guy? That's the wrong Twitch API. I thought the Twitch API v5 was outdated. Wait, go back. I forgot they had that. The Golang OAuth package has Twitch stuff in it. No. Yes. See? I don't need to set it myself. But when I'm... That auth URL we can kill. Yeah, I know. That doesn't help me with the fact that I don't know how to redirect. Twitch dot. Endpoint.auth URL. That's what I want. We can go get that. Yeah, I think I should do something like this instead. So let's see if we can find an example of this. They have an example test. Scope, client ID. Conf exchange, conf client, client.get. Yeah, let's just try one of these. Obviously, I'm missing the redirect part when I don't. And our endpoint will be equal to Twitch endpoint. Twitch endpoint. I do have these. Is that why they hired you to your team, so that you could work on React stuff in the front end? 'Cause, I refuse. Secret. You sure about that? Because, I mean, if I were you, I would avoid using React. But I don't think there's anybody else on your team that does it, so... And I don't share those sentiments. I don't really ever think it's fun to do that. Isn't there a redirect URL? I need to provide that. Do they offer that? John and Carson do front end stuff, or or they're on your team? 'Cause I can't see Carson. Kubernetes land Carson? Renola, how you doing? Carson changed his Slack picture? With a unicorn? But like, is that like Kevin Durant unicorns? Or does that like say you're worth $1 million? I don't understand what I was supposed to do after that part. We're supposed to do this. This is obviously what you're supposed to do next. Break! That's because it doesn't give me the redirect. I need to add a redirect. Is there a redirect URL? There is a redirect URL. Wait. No, that didn't work. Invalid client. Do I have to source this again? Invalid client. That's all I get for messages. Twitch ID, Twitch secret. And that's all we get. Invalid client, status 400. I don't think that's good. I don't think I need, let's try it without the secret. Come on. And this is why I gave up on the Twitch server the first time. Still 400 invalid client. Oh, that's because it's not getting the end, it's using the string. I thought it was gonna be smarter than the average bear. 'Tis not. Not smart. Oh, see, now you can still see my ID. Who did that? Who thought that that would be a good idea? Continue. Error, redirect, mismatch. Error description equals parameter plus redirect URI does not match registered URI. What do you mean it doesn't? I only have... Oh. Now it might. Now I feel like I should change my secret. I'll change it when we're done. Not my secret, my client ID. There's nobody watching me. So if you're not watching me, you can't steal my code, right? Okay, let's try it again now that we've changed that. Authorize. And now I have a code, and a scope, and a chat, and a client, and I think that worked. So now I just have to use this client every time I make a request. Right? Because I have a token. Huh, Lulu? Lulu, you want to come and say hi? Oh, you gonna snuggle with your Max? Yeah, I'm a good girl during Twitch. The dog, I took Lulu to the vet yesterday because she had gunk in her eye. So, we got that figured out. Stop! You're not Bim. This doesn't this is a string, right? This is a string token, so we need to take token and make it a string. So, I'm gonna kill all this. See, Mord? I didn't need any of your stuff. I didn't need any of that. I just used the one that somebody else built. And so now that I have a new client, I should be able to do a C dot, does it connect? Pretty much. I like that they have that redirect thing too. That's pretty nice. That I don't have to think about that. Let's just see if it connects. Oh, I deleted that username. Well, we'll just hard code it, because the better practice would be make a dummy Twitch account, like, not dummy, but, I guess it would be a dummy Twitch account. I'm allowed to make bot accounts. I don't know why, but I can make like 9,000 Twitch accounts. That's part of being a Twitch. I don't know if that's part of being a Twitch affiliate or if that's part of just having a Twitch account. But, like, why isn't it working this time? Oh, it did. It works. I have the code. Oh, I guess that's what it's supposed to do? So that's it working? Because my auth lasts for X number of minutes. I froze! Oh my gosh. Okay. I know a couple of the streams I watched today were pretty laggy. That has nothing to do with my computer, but I hope that Twitch isn't also making worse the fact that this is just being dumb. 4 o'clock. Okay, let's see what that library can do for us. Okay, yeah, that's fine. PRIVMSG, private message. So if you join, oh, that joins a channel. So let's join my channel. Right, so you want to join me. And then if we go to the documentation, getting started, variables, clear message, clear chat message, emote, global, type message, part message, user message, variables, functions, client, join, new client, client depart, client connect. Well, I ping and pong and private and get type. User state reconnect message, emote client, anonymous chat client, new client, connect depart this followers on. Oh, let's just try that. I don't know what this does. What does join do? Enter Droid channel to read messages. Okay, but how do you, it didn't tell me how to read the messages. Client.userList, and then we give it a channel. Print messages an error. I almost wonder I don't like how this blocks here. Because I have a code that comes back, but it doesn't. We need to do this still. And this will refresh on its own if I do that right. But we should, I'm thinking, isn't that blocking though? my goodness. I might need to take a break. There's no error on the new client either, so how am I to know if it even gets set up? Great, that runs. I think the problem is it's access type offline. I think because it's access type offline, that's why it's blocking. I mean, I can't say anything for sure. Oh, that's not what I want. I want an example test. Access type, they both use access type offline, and the state and the visit, they do that, that's fine. With the exchange, oh, but they put a custom client. That's interesting. I don't necessarily need that. But I probably want this token. Does that get returned? Okay. So I'm thinking this right here should probably be in a function. With a wait group. And a lock on the token. Once that token gets here, we can unlock it. is it called? It's Golang Wait Group. What's it called? Oh, my throat's getting dry too. That's how you know you gotta wrap it up. And this has been fun though. Sync.wait group, thanks. Sync.wait group. And I want to have a sync mutex lock as well. I don't think I need to do a worker pull, but we can add that done. And then this would be and then we need to be able to lock the let's look for an example of mutex lock. Okay. Look at that. Why would you ever do that? And then I could have used a new if we're gonna be dealing with pointers anyway. We're gonna lock when we define the token right here. And we'll do a mutex unlock here. Cannot use conf exchange. Okay, that seems to be fine now. Here we go. Oh, that's not... Why do... That shorthand's not helping me here. That should handle my error. Should handle my mutex lock. 61. Yep, that error is not defined. Okay, that's good. It edits the state. Why would that affect my Vim one? See, I know I have it working right, I just don't know why it's blocking. Maybe somebody else will know. Well, I'm gonna take off. If anybody watches this and knows why I can't seem to be executing any code after line 45, please let me know. It is pulling up on a web browser. I am able to log in through the Twitch buttons. It redirects and then it just kind of explodes. So that was CoPilot. Question is, will I use it again? On a Twitch stream, I don't think it made me any faster. Not really. I'll keep using Vim. And at least for Go. I'm curious to see what it does with other languages that I don't work in every day, right? That might be a bigger thing. So we might get some more CoPilot stuff in the future. Like I said, I really want to try it with Rust. I just can't think of a project to do with Rust right now. I can only think of projects to do with Go, so hence this. So yeah, but we'll definitely be back next week. I have been super busy trying to coordinate meetups, meetup locations, and meetup speakers, as well as get some work done. I've got a conference coming up in October, and I just have a feeling that I'm just going to get busier preparing for that conference. So we'll stick to Fridays. I don't know if I'll be doing any additional streams, at least until after that conference, for sure. But everybody's invited to come. It's gowestconf.com. We should be getting tickets available shortly. come learn about Go and everything there. We have amazing speakers lined up. And yeah, we can find somebody. Let's find somebody to raid. While I'm ranting about Go West and how you should all come hang out with us, let's find somebody that we can raid, that we can send all one of you to. So you can spend the rest of your Friday doing something else. RW Grimm, Splashly. Oh, let's go ahead and let's kill our VS Code so we can have some memory to ourselves. Look at that. We have Anthony Codes doing Python, Random Pigeon Work, CSM Taco Choco, American Truck Simulator. Anybody want to watch some Valorant? I haven't been too impressed with it. I feel like they're all the same game. Valorant, PUBG, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Counter-Strike, they're all the same game. Usually, large data bank's on by now. Well, let's send you to CM Griffing and you can learn about Vim. Since obviously it's better than VS Code. Because it was just ridiculously laggy today. So yeah, we'll definitely see y'all next Friday, if not before. You can come hang out at the Kubernetes meetups if you haven't. I guess I have the meetups below somewhere. Forge meetups. And yeah, we will see you next week. We'll do some more of this Twitch stuff. And that should be fun.